Sema edu abo apa no nsia wo nyina jo wo makwaba ediba DLFM 106.9 emana sensema hodo a ya boaboa no se numre no nsia kase bo no ye de mo nkyere mu nyina da eba ebesom ne ye ka mo sensoma de boaboa no se numre no nsia kase bo no ya kurita ni nyina da agogu yen aba fontentan kase ne so a na ye dlfmonline.com eno wa chinsu kase bo no enem DLFM yen app no ena bio tinin app no so yen Facebook and YouTube ni nyina da eya adwuma na ye DLFM 106.9 kase boyi ehunfoni any videos awodo nam so a ubenya bi ahwem emre sem ye badwo adwen kire no akenkan a na eye Facebook no so at DLFM 106.9 enumre ensem titira ebedi kase bro ma kwetini bi ane say edane be kire mu awasantemantem akopiem wakwabre South Manse ni mu wasantemantem dia awra ho sama bato de kase bopon so kire mi say tanka bi eja tom emanipa pode benu wo mu nyina da ahye ewo edubin so awasantemantem yede mu kire mu besomo awakase bonum
Accra High Court ahye say abronya DC enkode mesanse bail terms omode man no wendi so
na bato dwa endo ada say la nkwantanan Madina abato mpesu aso ene adenta new site edane dwiribguye emanipa ba kwa afema hwere ne nkwa foforo nan epreprai nene wonom abana musini kirem say enipa edane ye dia no wono beche no
Minister for Foods and Agriculture akasa ekyem say ebenfom dwuma wa bibiman mo mfeska enhyem to ochira aban so mbomodin ahwe say yep 10% de ombetimi edi ahyem
oswafo no ene wo hwe o man Ghana yekita hodie afi abafo kwan fasiti dwuma onimnyamfo Sam George ni go prampa ma bedwani ekirem say wo ma tena se ahunu say ne Ghana mabunu mi susua nanso wo kwa abafo tentan so aponno no mo hwente no efri na kwanche wombeji mre bi dia bom na ba be ya adwuma wo beso ko hwepono a agesa wo di wide ekoboshem entisa pono no wonya bi hwe bio
DC adema odotobri adidade abofom mo be hya ase abesi eye edwa no be 24 hour economy dwa e wo ma 9
ensama no pina ka ho na yese nkonya be so mo say enumle no nsia kase wo dielo ha ne nsia ekiripo enkron kase fidie so ne ka mo say first group band enumle etonsa dia from na yakasa first group band na edwuma de ye die no edosom eyanwom ene ye bo ye wanto anwomtofo nso wo ma no wate enwom bia mu ni moto entemesra wada ye mfidie no so ebom papa ni bia bomoden na beto nsa fra edwumadie bia wudi abehia anwom wase no ebia wedding bi na wo ye ebia eye bi na abafie birthday party bi na wudi ana ebi mpo na school no wakwa wo pon ho na edwuma no wasua wo pon ho obehia anwom wase insane hyemudi ahodo abehia anwom na mesra mo ada momfa ni nyina da enkwada na eye free group band niema emesamo sompa na yewo quality sound yesanso professional instrumentalist and actually quality instrument abefa ye ne a o makada kram yankopɔ ya adoma ekina da ye de ne akire mu ewo ashaman edwam hodoma emra abɔ ewiadumi no pepepe ne yatena se awa ashama market yankopɔ ya adoma ekina Friday ntimesraw hia honom ne yenye dwumadi na dia da so ne say dance of your street stress free na fi media sane manyam ho yihu famfrim ka dwumade ewe no ekina honom be ye de brutam na wo penkyeremu a ope eye first group band mpenifo akira kwanya mesrawo ya watema na location ne tema community 22 a ya wo inside Bawro so ho no man yebutom ya homa na 0242 965 391 0242 965 391 ana 0541 149 741
ye kan papa dia na enoa eni Lumba super insua wonoma onipadua no etimi bu adwuma ye na FDA fo agye atum Ghana fo ni na agye atum mo amanoni ni na agye atum nti wonsa enyanka Lumba super ni bidi abomode afrem penifo 0549 889685 and 0549 436616
akenka fo banu ayese nkonwa ebesema ni mire no edi ameje so ya wofa ose adeyo diwan at Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B mawutedin ene bantwere bonana otafirija mene mo fa seba
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
ya dan ya ho ye ba ya de kase ye bono ekire mu ankasa ebesomo
DL News.
Yamamo akwaba afi tumirika ne hia yen ewo Facebook and afinse YouTube na yemfa kasebo no echiri mankasa ensem ya hia kasebo na se e de free o man kana ya sentimental mu a abraho sem abeto de kasebo punu se echiri mi sei ene tanka bia na eso fango eja kwa kotom ewo edube nso eno no wa fija kwa bere South Mensenem ewa sentimental na abraho sem yi esi enanopa ya wade ya ewo dwombo smere toso 9 ewo mfempim mienu ne adonu nsiemu mra tankai chese ne onam sa na olusu control no chese ototo ne sa fa ha na fa sam na nka ne kirem se na otu kwan ya na ofiri eye edwena se na odina dia kiremu ewo ye edibenso ko dia dubenso pene nkwanhia yi ekokosi ye no disa no hu de esi kirem se eba sa pene chese shenkani no ofeli break oye hu hwenye ye ene ka tototo ne sa na bua fa so na jatom ene train ene de ben potemo ne stores wo hode ni nyina da etumi ahyedwira pem nanso nya de a wo stores bembembe ho no nipa no obi aho kan ne mom no hyen kene no twitanka ne de meka sei eja ne hye na watoro nso kram efe nso ne meto kan ho nso de eja na hye ma ne ho nyina pra nanso wa ba ne apagan e de akopie mum e wa ban asebe meka sei no tafo Ghanaian hospital Dr. Fujan so a wonom epre ne nkwa na otum jadwuma yekuo ena efe nso Ghana Police Service mlante akopiem akwa manema bibia akodiam kai matwa firi kwa nimu a amakode bede won sensem ekon kan edema ade hwom pote na meka sei assembly member edema edubenso electoral area oniminyamfo Reverend Ebenezer Somia Atai ejemre edinchechiremu esom die kasebo
Edubinso besiase wono ye edubinso edwenase electoral area.
Okay.
Kura eson a yebodin a obi bedun no eye masse team that line so. Okay. Wanna accident in see. But what happened is driver na kase fisa akro ne mu. Na o develop problem. Na nimpa no I say oh ma ben fie de me yen kakra. Enko park. Enti oju halfway ni fie na a car no ehwease and it was a tanker a fuel tanker into ehwease say na Naija so FM into stores be tena ewo kwan na no de obi enwu ewo sa stores but store no de ni na hye ina npa ba kon nso efie efie one room a ona na yire na ma wo mu a eno nso ni nyina ahye na driver na kasa nso de beyond recognition and also yame atune safron wa so yanka said oninia there's no way you can recognize him the mate and also no was first degree no hunyina every part aworo say but edna kotafuji yebeka set up hospital yes ye boy amempa ye senya ye beti asampa firi nti ni esi no
mate ne menya ntia se wa from
no, yes, but from another source, no.
Okay.
Just that the way you didn't quiet there.
Okay.
Now, virtually, this is Becca Sanyami, but medically, dear, you who said no quite there. The next thing is a soccer, but
if you only a bit me pronounce say we're from.
Doctor, no, an hospital for in yes, our official declaration, no.
Okay.
But yeah, yes, because you're showing state in the dia. Yeah, shampoo hospital, internal almost cancer, no. But
driver and mate no month and be do be sense
35 for average you young guys young guys 35 yes
right if within the saying
Honorable Reverend Ebenezer Somia district chief executive all of them electricity everybody every stakeholder was there to help
okay
obi abaye na eso obi abaye de no kra obi abaye na fam de but na apa ho yo
eni a woti ye ono no ye assembly member edema de hia wanom ewo edubenso electoral area ewo sante mantem ne din de oniminyamfo Reverend Ebenezer Somia Atai ena wote ni
Yentoa Kasiabone so na Accra High Court ahye Eyabno Regional Chairman Ediman PP Amanyoko na yakwa mebafo adodo na enim se frɛ no abronye DC omonsa emfa no nkoto afiase na yabosumi a etwam yekotoni ma abosumi no anachese High Court ehye omutimi de aya abronye DC ekoto afiase sansen bi obeka ye ewo monten so na omuchema no kura bia enim ene so okoda afiase afi court no granting ni bill echemu say bail terms no omamadian fa ne passport enfa enkoma eye court no na so emredu anaka wo so fa passport ne kwanya ade a wode akonte say the Accra High Court asha say omonsan so enfa no enkoto afiase say bail terms na nya ade a wadi so na omobomadian ahwe say niam nyina betimi akoso yesan say abro mu chi ni tum na omobomadian ahwe say nkom betimi ayi no na emom so mama o bail terms na wundi so de eye a police for esan so ebefa wo akomakachi
yantoa kasebo no so ne yanyina mu ewo nkran pompurema ntemo ne yankopie mu ewa ban anamsini edema ne hia wonom wala nkwantanan Madina abato mpesu asom oniminyamfo Ibrahim Faila Fuseni odensam atodwa kirem sei owura bia no no na osi dan ewa denta new site ekwadwiragu ma mekese nipa baako wahwere ne nkwa afoforo banan yame ya adom emene o ma brade nan so mo da sabia doctor fu gina wono so no sa owura no mo pene kira kwa na o mache no na abana musini kirem sei ansa na wo betu sa na mo ni nyanso modikan ene nipa na wosi dan kasa ye sei eda na wosie no na ya dan kra baako pe ene wosie na ho eda no pillars na nesusa ntombo no kokosei so pese oto dan no so de a adwo be hu mpenifo no man hyehye foforo obedi so na wama pillars na ya akese ansa na watumi asida na ntesa pa de a wonom empre medan no ontoa so na ne no owura ihunu sei ne botoma ye de sika wono hunte no okobo ye mfi tanduku ene wamfo bo na nidie amfa madla nkwantanan abato mpesu aso mpenifo na ofa kuntu na se ono akosi ne dan na endrada na ye wukuada na ye eye homa wo se na taso miensa metira junted ene ya te asempa edan kwadwiri ya akum nipa ba akoma foforo nan epreprei na mra ne lankwantanan abana msine jemre ne nsantwerefo akasa na wo kirem sei sese yi de edan no enya bu enipa de o mafiri mawie enti no omo hwe de kira kwa no mache no na omo amamra ne na de firi sei samra yakwei omo ngo omaga na emra mu bio da wa wonim na besi dan no amfa mra kwanse bedwira gu no emra no bedi se de se wo mbechew na ka bia mensene bebo nso e de afra nwura agu ho mbese se nyina no so no owura na moche na se sika no mensene beje e de afiri ne nsem.
The former engineer, I called him to come. So he came back and then he gave us the rundown that they've already stopped the man. You understand? They've already stopped the man from constructing the building. That is a single story. So on what grounds are you trying to go beyond the first single story? So they stopped him and he refused to listen to that. So some way, somehow, he found his own means to move to the two-story. So that is what we are in now. And we are going to arrest him. We will not spare that. The law must bite, and therefore we will take him out. So we are now looking for him. With this amount of money that you have, you couldn't seek the requisite direction, the support and the supervision of the assembly. You didn't do so, but you turned out to use the money because it is your money. But this is the case. We came and pull it down. Certainly, my brother, this situation could have been avoidable if the building owner or the owner of the building would have listened to the former engineer. He would have stopped this construction. But refusing to understand, thinking that it is my property, I have the right to build, although, and I'm sending this caution to all developers, although it is your property, it is your land, it is your money, but remember, when such calamities happen, it is not you, it is the Abai or the government that will be pulled upon, just like what is happening today. The regional minister, the sector minister himself was outside, but he moved because of this particular issue. So we have to charge him for every penny that the assembly spent on this particular debris or clearing of the mess. He will be arrested. I've spoken to the commander before coming here, and then I'm going to talk to her again that they should find where the man is. We have his name and his contacts, so we are going to use that as a contact trace to get him to be arrested.
And what eno niminyamfo Ibrahim chirima yamfanto adehia mo wala nkwantanan abato mpesu asu anim se wonom ahye se bubu amanfo adan agudada mpanse nkwanhye we babesie nanso mahunu se ene adan pi na mpotem honom a sade yete no ehu ebetumi abu akuminipa asodan ba kubi kura kan ho a sade yete na ehu pam na omahwe ni yantu ho anam ankobu antu angu a eno so betumi adwiragu embede nipa kumni awudie ene epra aba honom ne santi wombedwine nyina to agu na asomdwe aba o kirema adan wura no mu pi wo nkwaje permit emfiri mensin mpenifo ne nchen na mo de wo pe wo de wo sisi na mo pa wo manya sekanti sabe wo mu nipa bia sesei wo mamra ne ni agrobio Wamba so amamra na yadwuma wo bibia wonim na wusi dan na wansi ni kwampa so ebedwura gu na dacha kofa atoyanchema bade wombebu atu aguama sebe mbabo nipa ene japade ho ban awala nkwantanan.
Right now that we are speaking again, there is another structure. One is church, other one are buildings around the Dakobri River. We are pulling it as we speaking right now. The NADMO and then the 48 engineers with our technical staffs are there pulling it down, and we are continuing it. We are not going to spare anyone. But Medina, if you study the geographical direction of Greater Accra, Medina finds its way around the northwest side, somewhere a little shallow area. So if care is not taken, and then you are also using the laws of your own without using the requisite directions from the assembly, meaning you are going to build at risk, which we don't want to encounter such situation. There are plenty of this that we've already started. In fact, as our last 2 weeks, Mr. F, I think we demolished about 4. Last 2 weeks, we demolished about 4. Little did we know that something like this is going to happen. But you see, people say sometimes when you are planning, you should remember that the bigger planner is Almighty. So he's giving us this as a test case to see that there are more of this nature, not only in Medina or Lankwantana Medina Municipal Assembly, but across the nation. We should ensure that the right thing is being adhered to, and that is what we are going to champion for henceforth. So
Any awoti ye ono ena waye MC edema this year wanom ewala nkwantanan abatu mpesua so ewon krabopre mantemu ne den edonumnyamfo Ibrahim Faila Fuseni ena oteni nkan na enoachi na deputy director edema technical services ewa National Disaster Management Organization NADMO ewala nkwantanan Madina abatu mpesua so onumnyamfo Justice Tinge echiremu say Woman is a pagua quemu. A dan a boo and a more has a better me ye yasian in a few no my mother was a ya and a soon go for pra. No, herbia, and madam won't put him on.
What will be happening here is that we'll make sure that we collect the debris over there, because yesterday we were able to, assist the system to, ensure that some of the victim was surviving, though we lost one person. And as it is now, you can see the collapsed building is there. So we'll make sure that today we collect everything and ensure that the place is very clean. Because as it is now, we can't still leave it there. It's still very dangerous for the occupants, especially the people within the area. The situation happened before some of us got here, because we were in Adenta in the same flooding situation. But when we got here, what we realized that, as you can see clear, this entire structure is collapsed from the top to down. Not in the part of it, the whole place is collapsed. With my personal, if you look at the whole thing, it's very clear that the structure, the integrity of the structure was actually the reason for the collapsing. Yeah, it was not strong. The integrity of the structure wasn't that strong enough. You can see clear.
Any awoti ye ubogramu awala nkwantanan Madina abato empesua swam. Ono ena yokwankyerefo abedi ekire edema aseye hwe omen yato ye nchem enhyehyeye so mekire National Disaster Management Organization NADMO ne den ade Mr. Justice Tinge na enoachi ana fire commander edema Legon District DO2 Abdullahi Salia ansi ukirem say wanom ahya say hwehwem mapa ede fa de kudiente nam so edan no ejuruguru ye na widi aba no wanom etuhanamo.
So yesterday, around 18:38 hours, we had a distress call with regards to this particular incident. So quickly, we dispatched our rescue team from the national headquarters to attend to the scene. Already, then Medina, which is currently supposed to have been attending to this incident, because they also have the security equipment. But unfortunately, they were attending to flood situation and a fire around application around 2 a.m. thereabouts, and then the rains came in and we all dispatched, we all dismissed with the other security agencies. So this morning I personally came to confirm some information we had with regards to a vehicle that was also trapped in there, and so I wanted to be sure of myself that actually we were told that there were 2 vehicles, but this morning I came to confirm that it's just a vehicle, a Corolla, that is trapped under the debris. I expect, so what I've done is that I've realized that ever since we left, the place has been left untouched. Of course, there are experts in all the fields, and so we need to collaborate with others to know what exactly caused the destruction of the building or the collapse of the building.
Any a woti ye or no anyway fire commander at the Malagon District Fire Station DO2 Abdullahi Salia and Awate Nini.
Yentoa Kasiabone so na Minister for Food and Agriculture Eric Opoku akaseti Jessy Kaketwa omudi sheku ejumemu ewe bibiban mu ehyesenka kaban anya krampo na fibia budget omobeye no monfa emu 10% enfensha eyekwa ejumanim sane beya ahoban boy no koso ewe aduane yenim eni sikasemu no na kabibia ebetimi akosuye na the nsemi tuja ewe broadcasta ewe Interparliamentary Conference on Family Sovereignty and Values and koso eneya wo aya omababo so mene de toso eye enan ewe mfimpimienu ene aduonu sian mu ana Mr. Opoku ebokoko echemu se enya de kwa adwuma ne so no ebetimi aboa man sakraye timi aba bibiman sikasemu so man fasika amfa anhye sector ni ma na chese omo nso no mu ni tumi so betimi aboa man sakraye etimi aye adwuma no kasa ye echemu se o hwa man bi wo onom krampo no mu de eye 2% na 3% pe anadishe eye kwa adwuma ni mebi kra edi 0.6% pe anadishe ekobasa na sector no mu so dwumadi omu di no entimi enkosoye se wo senkomo mfa nkrofo bebre ye mebru ni bi kran fen she adwumanim sane ebe yo mo so no ebetimi aboa esan sikasema enim ni ntino mu ntimi emfa mebru no emom so no entimi enye adwuma enu ntino abibiman no emomodin ahwe so betimi aye bibi ede afa ho sane ebe ye betimi aboa nti wo sra omo hyemra so omomodin ahwe sempenifo ne so no betimi abu akonta na budget ahodo omo beye no anya kra fibia na omo de 10% kra edi hyem ebetimi aboa.
The Maputo Declaration of 2003 and reaffirm them under the Kampala Declaration. Under these frameworks, our government pledged to allocate at least 10% of their national budgets to agriculture and rural development as a means of unlocking the continent's vast agricultural potential and accelerating economic transformation. However, the reality on the ground tells a different story. Evidence across the continent suggests that many countries are yet to fulfill this commitment. In some countries, agriculture receives less than 1% of the national budget. Others allocate only 2 or 3%, while some provide as little as 0.6%. Such levels of investment are grossly inadequate for a sector that employs the majority of Africa's workforce, feeds our population, and holds the key to industrialization, poverty reduction, and economic growth. This is where African parliaments must rise to the occasion. Parliaments have a constitutional responsibility to exercise oversight over public expenditure and government policy implementation. They must hold the executive accountable and ensure that the promises made to African citizens are translated into concrete budgetary commitments and measurable outcomes. Parliamentarians must demand answers when agricultural allocations fall below agreed continental targets. They must scrutinize budgets, monitor implementation, and insist that agriculture receives the attention and resources necessary to drive national development.
DLFM 106.9.
Ania uti ye Minister for Food and Agriculture ya Eric Opoku.
Yantoa Kasiabone swe na yenyina mu ewe ningo pram mahye betwani akate ono kure ya na ye osuafo a ohwankita hudie ene abefo kwan a yedi dwuma wo memekire Minister for Communication, Digital Technology and Innovation oniminyamfo Samuel na Te George edensem atudwe kirem sei ogusu ya hyehyepa edenkrata akwakwada mpanifo sei opese wade mra bi ban no na beye national identity card ebetumi ayo driving license ene hyenkani utumi krata de twihyen eno meboa opa na pese eja blue frame oba no oba eyi nkita hudi amudi ne mpam ya ja mu wiare mu de akogwa be fonten tan so a amanfo akohwe bia bu ani akwa homen ene eponei okirem a opese wo kwa website akohwe bia aje wo de ID card ko na de kwato so na akire wo simesimi na menie pepese mbehwe poneni bi timumye mama na mehwe bi na Ghana fo nyina hu se menso mafili afam okire menne emofran keten a ombeko school adwaman ti otumi hwe pone se na ne nyina puru nso ne nyina egon beka so yade na so na nya yade bia na Samuel na te George echirem say anamo a wotuei opese ode boa na ombo man ga na mafra ho ban se be ya aba fonten tan so pono a mebu ni ya hwa mo ani nyina ye kosa no esu betumi ehwan ode say de tudwamra eye fourth interparliamentary conference jumade to dwa na wonom ekasa ede afa abusia ana afi nso abusia hyehye yahodo beboa na oba no oba dan hyehye bone emoa no esu betumi ate na Sam George echirem say aban aye krato wonom gusu bodwumaden na wom ka biewom aye nhye betumi de mra bia bapa sebe ya ba fontentanya ene oba nsa kwabrane agya ba ya tompam ene wosini su 24/7 na obi akwahwe ene oba hwe fitia no pa akopema ni mre wani dikura wo yoke o kirema we yo moya mampanimfo eye mpanimfo baalu mofre nhubi tie besere mo emo akra na wo kirema asese no okopie mo United Kingdom ememu a so pesa wo kwa website ekohwe ponu a agese oyo obi a wo mfia kwa ni mu kakra ene akope mo omabisa wo ID card na de aba me driving license ni me di openi osimesi me matwika ache me di mfinhia na boro mfinhia do nwotwe mama nkwana me hwebi na agya wahwe o kirema se anya ni se ni amamofra no ho ba na agya mo saade a wo mbekwa so hwe pono ne saa ebedu baabi no o manga na mofra nyina be yadwama mofo mo me yeda ache atumi asen into kirem se sane ma bone yakoso ba fontente aso no o mani abrese krodom o ne che papa bo ho ban se ba ya Ghana mofra mo hwe pono no eso betumi ahwe o mem na boa mempanifo nkuto na atumi akohwe pono ibi na agya wonum so atumi afiri afam.
It's important that we understand the danger that we face with pornography. And I keep saying that, look, we don't need to rewrite the script. Today in the United Kingdom, for you to access a pornographic website, you need to put your driver's license for them to be able to determine that you are 18 years. Ask yourself why they are doing that. Because they've seen the danger and the damage that pornography and over-sexualization have done to a generation of young UK citizens. And that's why for us, we believe that in Ghana here, and we're working with going to cabinet on that, to make sure that before you access any X-rated site, you must put either your driver's license or your national ID card, so that we know who you are and who is going to that site, to prevent children from being exposed to such content. This is the real threat, because when a child is over-sexualized at an early age, it affects their development, it affects their thinking, it affects even their morality and their values and their standards. And the only way to break a people is to go after the children. Because when the children are destroyed and damaged, that culture, that culturalization gets damaged. The fight against Africa is not against those of us sitting in this room. We are a lost case. The fight is against our children. And that's why when myself and my colleagues in Ghana introduced the Family Values Bill, one of our key arguments has been that we're fighting for the innocence of Ghanaian children, because our children must be protected and safe. We were protected by our parents in an African family setting. We must do same for our children and grandchildren.
Anye onumnyam for Sam George wie ye pe na mo se ne nsembo pra pa ene ukwa ko hepunu a ese utumi di ID card ko mra ne be ye adwuma wie di a ene bia me Nhyiraba ni maba website ne so ba be hepunu ni mam kwana me hwebi me wie na gya na masane out na mafrim ene wo ye osofo bishop nso a na wokwa na ebisa ID card ne wabɔ hyem na omakohwebi na gya woso wie na wasane out na kire din na boa na mofra mu nya mfinhia etu nwotwe no omutumi nkohwepu no na gya omodaache enkonkwasa mu nsem ene yede asumwe yento akase bɔ no so
yento akase bɔ ne so na DC edema dotobri abato mpesa ne si yoni onyamfo Emmanuel Obin Ajiman edi dade abofam a mo besi eye 24-hour economy eye dwate pa ewo eye odotobrin eno ewo eye mile 9 na dwumadie no ehyaase ewo eye mile 9 ewo mu district office ono ma endie mpanifo ewo honom eye aban panifo ahodo adwadifo temamufo ene nananom ahemfo nina etimi ekohia mu ewo honom na bransemtwofo edu honom no nyonyafo Emmanuel Obin Agyei ekasa na ochemu se edwa no sane omobeya no na beboa ma adwadifo so no atimi adi dwuma ye papa a ebeboa ma musikasam so atimi anyi ewa mansie mensni nim na aboa no musikasam atimi akosro na ye onyonyamfo oben agema editudwa echiemu se ye project ye omoba beye omo hwe nim se mfie miensa ntamu de na cheso omo atimi awie na yade omode ama eye bukat construction and eye engineering company for anomo beye na omo stress company no gidi omanya wo mu nti omode eye contract ne de ama wo no omo hwe nim so mbetimi aye bibia boko e de ama wo.
Today marks a defining milestone in our collective journey towards economic empowerment, sustainable development, and inclusive growth in Amasia Central District. Now, to the background of the project, the 24-hour economy model market forms part of a broader government initiative to promote round-the-clock economic activity, ensuring that trade, services, and commerce are not constrained by time. This initiative is designed to create jobs, expand opportunities for small and medium enterprises, and strengthen local economies by aligning district-level projects with national policy priorities. For Amasia Central, the Malda market will serve as a hub for agricultural produce, artisanal goods, and retail services, providing a modern, secure, and accessible space for traders and consumers alike. This project is not merely about infrastructure, it's about transforming livelihoods and positioning our district as a vibrant contributor to Ghana's 24-hour economy vision. This project is fairly aligned with the government's medium-term development policy framework and the Assembly's own development agenda. By integrating the 24-hour economy model into our district planning, we are ensuring that national priorities translate into local realities. It reflects our unwavering commitment to decentralization, inclusivity, and community empowerment through practical interventions. The Malda market will empower our people by creating direct and indirect employment opportunities right from the construction of the market to its operationalization. It will empower people by expanding access to markets for farmers, traders, and entrepreneurs, and also by enhancing women's participation in commerce as they form the backbone of local trading activities. It will also stimulate youth engagement in productive ventures, thereby reducing unemployment and migration pressures. Indeed, economic empowerment is the foundation of true freedom. This Malda market, is a catalyst for resilience and
106.9.
Eni ya uti ye DC ede modo tobri abatu mpesiane so ye onyonyamfo Emmanuel Oben Agyemai na enu echi ananana odru otosumienu eyohene ede mama 9 ekasa ye echemu se ya dia district chief executive for ya de ye papa echema contractors ye dwumadie no ehom nsa no ye project ahodo ne hom nsa no mo hwe so mo betimi aye project ni ye no mo so so mba be di dwuma ewo ye market o mbesinim no omo hwe so mbetimi ahwesuye.
Mestre so Nyankopon boa no se said medie wie peye wa ha yan Ghana fo efititi adia aban aye bia no e abaduma kuma mo ni ko yiye titu mo ye de be se mo sano isemu the police culture of maintenance Ghana fo ye be isemu mo ma sa enyamo ama etmedia ache ama ejima ene nkwara ye deja omotiri no emunse aban bi bai ene ode sa me yi ba esemu ye nyanmo a ebi a abufuo aba montamu se bia ama ye kromu ana se bi ye teta sabi imprevia san nyina eye amanse central kanino obi kodwa tetima obi kodwa aseswa e ma minum ene bi kodwa intimate and na edwana ba na mas o tia na bia bibi fufro first stadium esiko Yakubu bia yesiwe eriko mase
DLFM 106.9.
Eni ya uti ye eye nana odru otosumienu ono ana ye ohene edema ma 9 na manibo ye nsem troni Barbara Cranton ana de besomye
ye nyina we so na yamra mo nchen fie ho mo ne tew na agudie ma konfofo no me wo fase Jessy atena se ne ba mo nchen se ma akra bi ntem na yakọ nchen na Onyamfo Sam George, Minister for Communication, Digital Technology and Innovation chirema. Omuka ko family bi aba. Eno no. we ya abofra wo nu fie du nwotwa ntumi hwe pono ni bi every say pono ni ye mpanifo from na ha dwen mofra na hwe moma ni nyina purunso ne mokwa kraso mu kura na mo nsua de SHS for no mo da domotre ho no mo na ye say no mo hwe ne sa nti no o mo de mra bi ba we ye pani kura driving license ne bi sa so ka be na atwi na de abeto ne ehu e no yourself na ko hwe bia ne enyo records ne ade ne ehu mo amohwe pono no na mo so amonhwe enti enie emla no eba mo gitum ana say o mo de ba pono no be ha mo ahoma ne dem 0534050199 0593406565 yes na ko hwe pono a age ye hwe ID card ansa na wanye bia hwe enche be ya adwuma majo
ya awura
ofa santi ati say
obari adubo papa
30 seconds yanko
ayo medase babodi taw na eti enzo yiri fa ya no omo hunya amra papa bia nse ofa maye panya parliament wa pa MPBC wa no hwe perodi bi wo before zo ho yi
me pacho ane de ya allege ebi mu na keka ka o madwene
ayo papa ahu ni faso enzo yiri fa ya omo nyi no ho
medase ya me nhira o majo medafo
inshallah na bato bibia boko
me ho ya pa udi ni say
bato efra sapon
ka safre
airport
yentio
enti Sam George enti wa twanya de papa bia fa ma say ade no obeye na da artiste ne to ba mo ko parliament wa na na mi hu se men ka se ya mo nyina na ase den enya ma papa o se mo ye mo man
medase ene wa dwen majo
over
Kofi Manie.
Yeah, great you have finished.
Oh, Tema, great you have finished.
Tema come to yeah, what about unim bibi? Yes, I'm the cow baby say. And no man ka on my ni pet ni sudi for na ya akwada, and as you kita akwada again. Okay? China for April and as America for April said a bear on the coast space, I was just a yankopon wampa. Shady air dream. We what away at the copper in Yanam.
And then yes, no.
Ah. Enti yem chefe pono hunti yanko ya ID card me de to me no me great you have de to me no yan kwase asem
me pa cha fa bibi to ho why mesre o ye pani nti no wona na nya adwane na nya adwen kwase asem de mesre twesan aha ne de yare yenso so sansem no so mesre wada majo
wa
udi na bia akasa free
uni aba wo fa senior regina Achimoto market
isa raji enti o
fa me pa cho ye papa ne seno di ode ba no ntwem na nsuo yiri fa yen rando kwa ka ma me won se bia mo mi nsole mfiri o
so ogbo mofra ne ho ban o mofra ne da chi na ogbo ho ban
papa ewunya ombo ye ho ban we nsuo fa na no mo nye bibi fa ho mai
yo me da se majo
hello me ofa
yeah we didn't be akasa free
asa man kala ba me kase vitamin nuta
antala ba me yente o
be ne Sam George da de papa be ya iyala aba sama isu yiri fa kwa mo wanye mati to se yiri de onjini won je me so nya do fanye
mate me da se majo hello
good evening
yeah good evening we didn't be akasa free
mpasho ye friend me Janet me free Madina Estate
sister Janet Madina Estate ye dem lebe boy ma ho ban yente o
Ofa mpacho kacha Sam George say kasa sensen en topom.
Me pacho aya for honorable ka ho.
Honorable and the okay me kan be say
better.
Honorable Sam George. Yes na ni di. Kasa sensen en topom ko.
I don't know what kire me say.
Na brofo a ukotina ho kan yi. Eni adenta fo ye nso afọ mo enrei. Chaka be na ewo. Enti no Ofa.
Mate. Mate obete wonka me da se pa me fa me value fan na kwa na mama me wo fa se Jessy atiasim na omu kire mu se ye kwa world cup no mu nsem abakwasam kakane adomasuko na hwese Ghana betumi age ana majo me wo fa si woni akukuduro me mo akwanya se kasakakra nso so pum ye ne pum fo anya adwuma majo hello
Ofa, good evening.
Yes sir, udi na be akasa free.
Uni aberma utukufia okasa fi swati.
Oh champion bako de.
Yamina do mo.
We me very fan na kwala na emra yi bebo amofra no yentie o.
Ofa. O se fa honorable county honorable Sam George.
Na
se uye koa. Ofa, ujina hakura no se cannot be switch off. Who ye non tie na we no abaye ho. Ofa yetre no. Niam brewe hu hia. Nto we don fan to baby my answer.
Me da say so what tefu adwene kire na ba. Na se obi anka ba akokora ma me senior man. Me da fo.
Hello no afa.
Wudi ni say.
Ma sha baby man talaba.
O wan talaba si akasa wi o.
Na me ofa yi asem ba ku bi ha me.
Body tell ebra so ye fast mami.
No ye tu omu. E mom tam de don ko fa omu mom mra.
Yo mate ba ko fo maba na som djaba wate. Yo me de ma sibre ko ye ka se ye be fa afrefo na wan hwe na sports na ye tumi ye be ha dwen. Me wa fa si Jessy afa plane e be tena fie ha. Yankwa agropama so ama han pa. Enti ya dan ye ho abasesi a ye ba. De obetia ni
DL Power Sports on DLFM 106.9.
DL Power Sports. E mo ade. E jawo. Dead.
Bola yenya ya ni habi. Na continue no ko tia ya ni hwe. Na am santa ya man bola ate ko tia sha. What you can see the ball and home yansa. What you can crash player ba kumpo. Afa ko over. Body na ya waso na no hwewu. Ehwewu. Enti sabot no. Ebi ni seven to mbo kotoko. Ebi kotoko na 20 kura no. Am santa oni seven. Masma mo ano.
Pressure, Mr. Kasante, Mr. Friday, Mr. Kasante, Asante, Mr. Kasante, Mr. Kasante, DL Power Sports, the one there, the Jawo, that.
Me wa fast Jessy watena se me kwa ne chema na kwaba na nsema hodoa edi ahim agropama so no onfani nyina me so me wakase wono so Jessy
ya ofa
empom di sen
yankopon na dom ni experience nti bia boko na wonso
ye de yankopon ase metia popa ye hia ya che
ye na che ye papa che
ever since aka kan say o wachi nyam wanim nyam no ye nhia bio se wokai okay de
na se nyam no na hia yo
but me say ever since amete sa asem ye nhia bio
o sa na se la so me ka se ma fre ne de wan tia na
oh and there as my film trim
okay mate
send enkomo ho
pa unse enne na aka 1 week ka 7 days pepe na work up na ba enti na week
every week
yes and week
they Ghana for kwaje aba no
yes
okay
Ghana for kwaje aba
ana work up na kai kwa den say kwaje aba
of Ghana your last 10 games ya bono work up Ghana no ya winning only 3
what say
me say your last 10 games ya bono
work up
na se no
ye dimu nkunu miensa sa enso na aka na ye den
ya lusu mienu ne ya ya lusu makomako 5 ya she 13 goals na concede 14
ena nyina nse ene de bia na nyoma na mfa bia fiwe de be yenkunum de afa
ofa ne Panama na ese be she no se wo ba ewiase nyina we FIFA ranking no ranking ahead of Ghana
ene mfa ho football lack wo
ofa
ne betumi akutwa form so bibia to misi
ofa
o de onim branding to menya na bowuram na ye wia e bedi fie nkomo enti de kwabra yenya na tisimbra kwabra yenko
all right ye won na majo emfa dia 106.9 so ene anwumrebre atima do team na godie mu nsam etim elba sare na me no ofa Kwadwo Sammy bi edi kan di ho nkomo no aka na woche pepe na dia de mundie ana se FIFA World Cup no ade de hye so Mexico Canada and USA enti na ade DLFM for DL Power Sport ya fa eda to won se World Cup na ka 1 week na ba so na dia de World Cup tokrum ebetim da bi nyinanim se ade fe tokrum bia so timi wurama na wo de nsama ade ho akono ade ankofo bi entimente da no eno ene ese de brew e wo dia tokrum so enti ya sha sefre ne ekopun se bi ye ba World Cup no de ebre bia no ye de World Cup tokrum ebetimi abrel e wo DLFM so ama so no ba bi obi na de wetima nya bi etima tiam bia no etimi akonkan de ade ofa kwame afum timi tamache besma kadu say odisika brand ya na connect art and oboraman omunye etimi se wa se Zakari producers amedi show no e de ebra me so amedi show no ebra no ada me de World Cup tokrum no ebra medin no e de Super K ade Super K ukopiem de ada World Cup 2026 a ye ba me no e shase in the year 1930 na shas na dia o my friends Uruguay enetimi host here omutimi host and win and omutimi gi ento uhwa the year 1930 to the year 1973 no na dia na 13 teams and omutimi stand here e de call 16 and okopiem dia ada in the year 1982 ekopim 1994 no and omutimi stand here e de 16 teams at about 24 teams. And in the year 1998, ekopum 2022 nso no ade na 32 games and na 32 teams and na 8 bo. And in the year 2026 no ade for the first time in the history of the World Cup na the ultimate extended from 32 up to 48 countries and akwa for the first time no ye betimi anya 48 nations omo ba besi akan so no e the FIFA World Cup arododo na so no etimi reference mundial we say so na ade ye de etudwa enanwumre ukopie ma out of 48 nations omo kwa akobọ no ade omo tima group omo into 12 groups uko group bia ma e 4 countries enewom into obia betimi abo 3 games omo sa 3 games na etimi wi a omo metima di first second e was 12 groups no omo nyina tima qualify automatically then no ma be fa the 8 best third place teams e honom na Ghana hwese obetimi akwa kwehye wonim say bi ometima fa no into omo yi first to no wi a amaya omo timi toss so miensa omo points no eye good no so ma select mako 8 into omo fro no ma na ade omo ba the knockout stage we say no yem fiti prekope emma round of 16 because we say no 48 countries and able into about run of 32 so run of 32 no wa be lose game ya ukofie into honum and be share the knockout stage na se se e knockout stage bi we na se ekokoye goalless draw na se kokopiem se e draw ya de be ko extra time e honum and ade ometima decide se hwan and betima advance to the next stage of the competition na the interesting World Cup record and say so wo hwa omanya wo so pa watimi a qualify abo World Cup no bi pen no e this year and side ni timi see on my fence Curacao no so ko PM on my hono ma on my 156,000 people and all mining and for the first time no yet man on my fence Curacao on population no ko PM on mining ma 156,000 people and all mining ma on metima qualify the body I been to me see that World Cup abakosem we say ni the first time ye nya on my bi on my den on metima qualify on by Bobby na so ko PM so e say na sitie on my fence Mexico Adia Mexico, USA and Canada. Omo na host this year World Cup no. Adia omo fence Mexico atuma ya bako sembi. Omo eno omo mudi kan ya omo atuma host World Cup no premier sanso. 1970 omo timi host ye. 1986 omo timi host ye. And 2026 no omo atuma host. We so ebi ntimi see da. Nti omo fence Mexico esu ne cross abako sem no so den. Etimi e honom. Ofa so ko pima World Cup na ye barebo no. Part na so for World Cup na say COVID tell bit manya World Cup no dia man na say wetin join Facebook so bit manya bia World Cup no ade omatima chechem sa mako 24 ahodo part no e mako 24 na sa 24 na itimi ye so kwa ye Friday bi 18 carat ye kasa carat na e do no sa 24 part na all World Cup no e fa na mako 18 e ye purely gold bibia amfra e ye purely gold and 6 na aka no so no eye metal no omo de copper in etimi ye eni sa copper no omo de ye no omo hwe se be ya cap no emu betima edu na etima cheye enti no omo de sa copper na eden etima fra sa 18 what gold no enti ko pia omo fra de 18 carat ne purely for gold eni say in percentage no so we World Cup trophy na eye 75% gold purely gold 75%. And eden etimi honom enti this year World Cup no is sa na eden eno so esitie el honom so opa my World Cup no ye bo no matima je do pa offer e my friend say Brazil o matima je mako 5 times enti the most successful nation our World Cup ya ye ba ye bo ye be sha say enne week pepe no e my friend say Brazil ade o matima je mako enum so eden etimi honom World Cup 2026 ye kwa akoboyi e 48 nations. There were some 4 nations be. This is the first time omutimanya kwanya akwako PM World Cup na say. On my offense Cape Verde and also with Marcus Capo Verde. And yeah for the first time and omkwako PM World Cup na say. Curacao for the first time. Jordan for the first time and omo twato krampo no aye Uzbekistan. Omso first time omunya kwanya akwako PM mundia na say no eno nie. Offer so ko PM jara FIFA club benefit programs. Unse sa wo ye club bi na so player kwako PM World Cup na se a eno so no benefit FIFA ebeden ebetimi da ma no offer say na city sa wo ye club e say bia house of folk wow team na say bia go play say Benjamin Asare omatima friend so on Ghana squad no hom say Benjamin Asare etimi di one day bia World Cup na se a sika has ana sika has nsa betima ka no $10,000 every day bia no player so player koko pia on World Cup na sibia every day bia club no ade sika on san betima ka no $10,000 every day inti Ghana timi twa 15 days and Ghana timi twa 10 days ho no ma $100,000 $10,000 times 10 no and I FIFA bit matua edama house offer and so one sem no so ko PM the other FIFA atmatwa sika botene mi da to say yabo World Cup ni ya timi wi a clubs are omu players etimi ko PM World Cup na se no o metimi da mom say sika no eye $355 million and so the FIFA eden etimatwa eda to no say say bia say yabo World Cup ni ya timi wi a clubs are omu players etimi nya kwanya ko PM o World Cup na se no obetimi so eden ache era mama obi eden etima akonka so etimi honom ofa so ko PM dia unsa agro bia no se yedi ne se umbetima eda aya na emra na omu no ene metima ma agro na de etima de ye pa because ye bonus agro na ase emra na e wa agro no ho no ade entimi mfa kwan ma na ma agro nya den entimi enye den ntino for the first time na FIFA etimi de different rules kram po etimi aba ewo the 2026 mundial and I say 2026 World Cup na ye kwa akobo e o Mexico USA and Canada no we say no untin ba bia e DL Power Sports no betimate e o DL Power Sport Tokrom yes the Tokrom Phillies no and ye de bro offer yes we say no say train etimi ba and say tam to e de ba nasa we play and nasa kokko gina akire nasa referee ni bom say player to ball no nasa ye kokwasa nasa 5 seconds etimi ba na nyanto ya ye beji e da ma the opponent no ababeto enti so kwa to train eni kwa say o delay time eden etimi e ho ye kra so etimi honom sa so na say goal kick etimi ba na say player na ebo say keeper na ebo na say no say o gina akire be 5 seconds na say o nya more goal kick na ye beji corner kick e da ma the opposite side and I say the opponent no ababe boy eden e honom and the goalkeeper see abobo na ba na wache no bobo no bo no da form na wa sorry no ohuru no kwa nam say na say 8 seconds ebe toso na sa wonya mbo ya eno ze corner ye beje da ma ye beje da ma da opponent team no watimi eden watimi abo ma bia etima konkan ena say ye bo game ni bia so a say ye bo every so first half ne bo 22 minutes a ade ombeko water break for 3 minutes second half ye ba na say no say san bo 22 minutes a eno so no ade ometima ko water break 3 minutes nemom say ye bo na say bia incident bi etimi si bia on the 20th minute our first half na referee ne betima decide say adia yanko water break enfamfam ebi abra 22 minutes in eden enso ye ofa eno so ne eno so enoma eden e honom ana hunsa ofa enche bia ene Benfica ene Real Madrid etimi dia kan se betimi share so ene player bi etimi kokko yes some racist abuse bi Branch offensive Vinicius Junior so enu nti ada FIFA de mra bi etimi aba se ye bo World Cup no na so ye player na so pesa o kasa yanko player bi na so pesa o kasa official bi ho a memfa won san kata wa no ana se memfa atade bi an kata wa no Saudi atada na sa won san kata no a e straight red card de be man free wait ma free agrupa man so because no e kamia e sa discrimination no e no an be wadwen sa obede obenti wake up ne kobo no memfa atade bi nkata won sa wano e bra wo kasa ana sa bia memfa won sa bi nkata wano e bra wo den wo kasa wo yesa e straight red card e na obeden obetimi age e na ofase ye bobo no na se ye substitution na se player na ye no ba bia ben na e sa obetimi na free park no so no fafa wono ma pie na se wo na se ye free na say we delay 10 minutes our field no so a player na oba be yi no amon na kom no ye we gina bonten 1 minute ansa na wait ma wuram enti yi na speed na we dey pie nya sa na say wetimi delay our field no so 10 seconds a player na oba mu no ye be me na delay bonten 1 minute and so hwe ya gan ye game a ye ne Wolves boy no e bra na Branch FM say fence sedu e komu no odi player na no opi abonten no odi lo park no so more than 10 minutes enti ebra na say di komu no ali du say di komu no refi ne sise no amana nkom na nkrofo nte ase hono no be omde mra na de asha ase enti eni kwa say utimi delay of field no so 10 seconds abra we den umpie nya sa the next player obamu no obetima di 1 minute e wa abonten ase na we den watimi ansa na we den eno so no watimi akom den sa wo hwe so o mo say si etimi hwe player bi anasa on association football no dia say ne se player bi timi pia e o pra e o say de ni pie na mu sakoko ba say be injury na bi ase emu ya den na se ye hwe player no e o field ne so anse na etimi yi na pia se ye hwe ne timi din wie ne se etimi yi ni pia obegina abonten 1 minute anse na wetima bam enti sa ye de ye mane mbobi enti 1 minute e na so be den obetima din enti say on the case of the or na say bra game ni timi koso no na sakoko ba say bi referee ni timi gi infringement bi na se bi a player bu ye wa nsa won ti ase ne mo obekwa abonten akwa protest ya ofa opie no anu ya ma straight red card ena sa we team bi na sa ka say bia na team official bi ka say me nkrofo me mombobo ni biem sere Senegal fo no team ye bra no mo ni Morocco team bo AFCON finals na mo say the moment a players be team a step out no pair no anu no game ya cancel no ye gi 3 points no e da ma the opponent side ofa we say so ne mre da mo ye da mo team da ba no mo say fans no World Cup no ofa ye kwa akobo no we fan ye ma team fa bottle water enkofi stadium hono because omunim their supporters ebetimi the bottle water ade be etimaye ometo to the coffee de so e bro ma no matimi ade etima wie na bi obi etima infringement bi referee be etima infringement ankoda ma omuti no no ma sha se to bottle
inso be no mbenom
yes eni so betima no nsu a offer omo se omo time omo tima mo break no omo so mo pie den akwa
no ma sa
betina se ba se
na no creating inconveniences bia ho
offer omo so omunim kwa mefa so omeden ombeye eni so omema wo de bottle water atima coffee de no so pa de akwatena stance nim de omo se lalai entimi ensie de etimi honom ena offer unsa first never no na limited to no more ne limit etimi honom omo no say de omo bam e ho honom nti omo da be kan ne say un say ya bobo na say player bitimi nya first yellow card second yellow card no a straight red card ne be ma no nti omo say ye bobo no say player bi etimi nya first yellow card next wetimi nya second yellow card second yellow card no omo de va bitimi hwe mehwe sampa player no deserve second yellow card no near the red card na man direct and as one deserve no mo first yellow card no de ye mfa va hwe no second yellow card no de omo hwe me ahwe say ampa say e straight the second yellow card deserve and as one de on deserve de etimo ho no bofa eno so ho asem ye de eno omo se corner so timi ba eno so ye de va ba hwe mu se corner na etima ba no ya mpa se ye corner ye de ye gida masa etimi na ye corner trodo anase eno so ye den enye corner trodo ene last one so no the vast no power no so ene se overs ye bobo no se referees no bitimi mo bi yellow card ebre so e bi anyo na record yellow card na ye den ese fata no eni se yellow card bi so ba o musa na se be referee no hu ni yi a eno so betima akwa kweda betima akwa hwe va na hwe sampa esa ayofa Kwadwo Sammy bi na deserve anase ko vitela anase Adjoa Agyei Sikapa ene deserve se ye de second yellow card ne den etimed marofa last one no ne sorry so no so ko piem World Cup na se a this year no wo betima age no ade a wonsa betima kan 50 million US dollars. That is omo betima age so say Ghana betima age dia say Ghana timeji a ade o betima nya 50 million US dollars. And the runners up no and as the betima di second no ade obetima ya 33 million US dollars. The third place team no ebetima nya 29 million US dollars. Then the fourth team no ebetimi anya 27 million US dollars. So utimi bo homodin kokodu quarter finals that's from the 5th to the 8th no ade a obetimi anya 19 million US dollars and a run of 16 from the 9th position up to the 16th position no ade also nsa ebetimaka 15 million US dollars and at the group stages no that's from the 17th position to the 37th position no ade nsa ebetimaka 11 million US dollars and I was so kwano wan konko bo bra bia ohonom so a that's the early stage exit no that's from the 33rd to 48th position no ade nsa ebetimaka 9 million US dollars we say so and World Cup tokrom ho nkoma enanwumre ye de besomo e wo DL Power Sports so enanwumre edi no eye Super K ofa kwame afum Besma Kadu say Kenneth Arthur ena kopim de odiska omo no mutimi serve as executive producers omo timi serve ya metimi e de World Cup tokrom so show no etimi e de bro ne anwumre ofa
senior
ye kono se bia opese bia be sponsor World Cup commentary na de beba e wo DL FM so na ade ye shase ade from on 11th no ekopum say on the 17th July on
the 11th of this month.
Yes, on the 11th of this month.
No be next week.
Yes, next week Thursday. Yes,
exactly next week. Yeah, ya wade be.
Yes, and then now chepe na World Cup na the shares ekopum on the 17th June. And the brand so say bia wo baabu ya pap bi ana wo bia wo adwuma kuom na say wo baabi na say bia wo nyoma na baabi e hia no pese bia atofo hu say ha say na wo hye ana say bia pese bia wo so wutimi nya edin na mankofo ba wo beto nyoma sa wo so wo de ntoma ebe bodia FM so ade a ya no a ebe den ye betima bo nyoma no dawura ma bia de etima konka de hia say wo betimi afre 059 82 44 515 059 82 44 515 so timi fra ade ampanyimfo so beden ebetima pick no mo wetima din komba bia wo hye bia no ye beba we no eye promo ene ye de ba ntino ba ade commentary no beso yase na ye betima bo dwato wanyoma na woton no ye betima bo hu dawura ma bia so yeden etima konkan dem ofa ma me fancy na me nchia me boss baako uko pm e wa half kasa pia ye friend nana Agyei Opambo Nana Agyei Opambo ye adwuma e o perfect 101.1 so itimbo ntino ma me fa ncha so ko emfa ma no enanwumre ofa
right medas me wafa se Jessy wo so we di na yeden
di no Super K
Super K
yes
super ena K ka ho
yes sir yes
mate ono na wote ne nka so ode akopama so nsem no eba sum ye ka se bo ne ye gina we sini de ne nyina se buduko mu se pon adwenkyere ne dodo na ba ye wo Facebook no so menhwe na me monitor na men sa so me bra na so apa ho na piaga de ba so hwe ye live edi free achimasa for matrada Randolph or the Abano was Susa, Sinquentia, and see Ashenkan in meeting na what tene. Na fripo, qua break a same so de baye, on so and Miniamisha opina, Dole Adjoa Agyei the Boss, Cassibone Modepa, or shall live the free Christian village at Chimwata. So na Richard I heard the Aban was so tear life. It if DJ Ghanaman friends when a great races in DLFM or they are snake Madia, Yabo Esom or my Ghana. Nigeria to follow our said the ban was for my Adjoa, or find Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B, any sweet as a man's sister. Adjoa Agyei Sikapa Sam George de dokaka Canada bebre kwa fasobia ni sumo men nti onya de papa magana ekabute eita oso hwe life edi free Tripoli DLFM you do all nyamisha ye pana dwumaden ayepo esom o man Ghana kasebane de semusefo ne ye Miss Mabel entry ahofedua ne se mu edema yen champion Taylor edi ekopie mu Facebook NF yitima kasebo no wonya bi ehwe yem Mr Samera kwa Jessy B echinchim kasefrefu madusumia nimre yi Samson Antia course Emma Yamola support Fiana Makenka for you too. A dear major soya offer. Or say at the one at Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B. Mene.
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa.
Yes, that's why the international DJ Verbetanasi Oba Beno. I was from now to 10. A neighbor sorry, DJ give better on the Nyumpa. Adjoa Agyei Sikapa, the Adjoa Agyei Sikapa, Obem.